Welcome back, mediocre developers. We are going to be playing more Polybridge 2 today. You know the drill. We are proving that a software engineer such as myself is just as qualified as a civil engineer, and I have recorded a civil engineer's scores to compare against. I just wanted to let you guys know I'm working on a software project. I built a game, and it's pretty recognizable. A lot of you will know what it is, and I then built an AI to play it. And I'm working on editing that video together, and it's just taking me a long time as I get used to using editing tools. I kind of want it to be entertaining as well as informative, so finding the balance for that has been tricky, but I will post it as soon as I'm done editing it. If you want to see more videos like this one or the one I'm working on, be sure to like this video or let me know in the comments what you want to see, and I'll work on developing that kind of stuff, mediocrely, of course. So let's start with our next unplayed level, and it looks like we're gonna have our first hydraulics level here. So it looks like they expect me to use hydraulics to push the bridge over the boat when the boat comes through, but I've got another idea. I think we can just build a curved bridge. Yeah, so future mediocre developer here while I'm editing, and I've decided to hyperlapse over a lot of this section because I spent nearly 45 minutes on this level, and I could not simply build a bridge over the top of the boat as I originally thought, at least not within the 10% goal that I have set for myself. So I tried a lot of things. I tried ramping over the boat, jumping the moped, I tried building straight over the top, I tried different stages of hydraulics. I tried every method I could think of. All of them ended up being outside the reach of that 10% goal. So while I work on the rest of this bridge and ultimately revert to a style you saw in episode 1, enjoy the rest of this time lapse. Finally, I did it the classic way. I should have never doubted the style of bridge that I used in the first episode. The first episode style of bridge I will use as much as possible from here on out. I will always start with this bridge where it's a possibility. I cannot believe this worked. Look, this is all it took. This is literally all it was. It was just trussing over the top and wall braces. I just thought, maybe I'll stop trying to fiddle with these anchor points down at the bottom. What are they doing for me? They're not doing me any good. Let's watch it through in all of its stressful glory. It is at 76% resting stress. Honestly, it's representative of my stress while building this level. Finally, that stupid moped man makes it across. Okay, we're in the top 10%. Did we beat our mark? 15,595. Yes, by 4 grand. So, on to the next one. Taxi truck. Some checkpoints reverse the direction of the car. That's fine. Literally give me anything new. I'm going to use that same style I just talked about. We're going to build straight across, and then we're going to anchor down. We're going to build our bridge the same way we always do. Like this, that, trussing straight across the top like usual, and we get here. I don't need this one. I do need to go down here and wall brace it. I guess that's as low as I can get it to wall brace on that side, and finish off the truss across the top, make them look a little bit more even. There we go, and it holds. I don't know if it's gonna hold with a car. Nope. Okay, maybe making those a little bit bigger would help out. I don't even care. I'm just so happy from completing the last level. Completing the last level felt so good. And it turns around. Goes a little bit faster down, but still maintains its shape. Top 6%. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I don't have to redo this level. Okay, 8,941. 1,009. We did not beat our mark here. We need to drop a few dollars if we want to beat RCE's score. Okay. Top 3%. That is significantly better than last time. And 586, 389. We best him. And rope support. Rope and cable are strong and long, but they cannot be compressed. Alright, rope and cable are better in tension. You know, I know what I've just said about using the same style for each of my bridges, but I think to save myself some time, I know that that's not going to be the route to go this time. So I think if I truss across the top, yeah, that doesn't look good for my fire truck. Let's see, maybe we support the middle as well. We are significantly over budget here. Top 90%. Oh my god. Not another battle to see how cheap I can get it. Well, let's see, are these the... Oh. Are these not needed? Oh my gosh. I'm surprised that middle held. I'm very surprised the middle held. Well, just like that, we cut 2 of our ropes. We hit 97% stress. 18, 6, 6, 9. 6, 9. Nice.
Nice.
We crush our target. And we're top 10%. So we're going to be moving on to the next one. Use less material to save budget. Well, we know a thing or two about that, don't we? So, let's go ahead and stick with our trusty shape. Oh no, not that joke again. I'm gonna quit making that pun, I promise. That looks pretty promising. It doesn't look super cheap, and it doesn't even hold. Huh. Yeesh, it goes so red. It goes so red. But it makes it across. Well, let's see where we're at. Well, okay, that's not that bad. Top 14%. I'm pretty tired of seeing top 14% today. But that does mean we're closer to top 10% than I thought we'd be with only about $1,000 to spare. So I wonder maybe if we just a little bit cheaper. It is only about a couple hundred, and I'm not sure if that's gonna support. Oh my goodness, it goes so red. Wow. Okay. Let's see where that gets us. Top 6. Bingo. 90, 70, and our mark we barely beat. Well, we beat by about $1,000. I think that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for building mediocre bridges with me.